nowadays I feel bored when I learn this language. So I feel
mm,
monotonous. Like, why are you learning this language? Because
mm,
in between, I was very good at English language and I spoke very fluently. And
mm.
because of some reason, and I left this language, so then I read English language. So I feel bored. So what should I
So
do?
please introduce yourself.
Okay, why not? So my name is Abhishek Pandey and I belong to Madhya Pradesh and my hometown city is Satna where I was born and brought up. And if I
Mm-hmm.
talk about my qualification, so I completed my graduation in 2022 and currently I am doing a master of computer application from Bhopal from RGPB
Mm.
University.
MCA.
And if I
Are you doing
yes yes
MCA?
yes yes
Okay. Mm,
and if I
mm,
talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are watching cricket, playing cricket, and fond of talking different people on a Skype. And this time I am reading one book. So that's all
mm.
about. So you can say I like reading.
Okay. Can you tell me the book name? Is it famous book?
Yes, yes, it is a this that book is a novel, and
Mm-hmm.
that book name is Scoop.
Scoop.
Yes.
Yes, there is one movie also, Scoop. It is available on Netflix.
Oh, I
Yes,
don't know.
but I know because I had watched, I think, 25 minutes that movie. Movie name was Scoop and actress was Karishma Tanna. Yes.
Okay.
So, do you want my introduction?
Yes, I would like to know about yourself.
I am Tanya. I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I am a homemaker, and my favorite hobby right now, watching movies and playing badminton with my
Yes, yes.
daughter. That's all about me.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, you are. I can say you are like a sports woman, and you are playing badminton with your small and chilled daughter.
Because mother has so many, mother are doing so many works for their children.
Mm.
Sometimes they are playing a role of their friend. Sometimes they are the partner of their, games.
Mm.
Yes.
Yes, you can say mother is a driving force in our life because mother can do anything for uh, her
Mm. Mm.
children, and
Yes. I was reading one article. It was related with Thomas Alva Edison, who was the inventor of electric bulb. So
yes,
I was, just reading the article. In that article, they were writing about their mother. His mother name was Nancy.
mm,
That time he was, I think, 9 or 10 years old, and Edison was very, curious child. But their
yes,
teacher were not able to give their answers. So they were saying he's a slow learner. We
mm,
can't, we can't, we don't want that kind of children, that kind of child should stay in the school. So they wrote a letter to his mother. Please come and take your child, and you should educate him just at your home because he's a slow learner. But his mother, she knows my son is not a slow learner. He is very good. I know he is very different from other children. So
mm,
she, come back from school. Then she, recognize their skills, and she was also aware that his son loves to do experiments. So
yes,
she given all the environment, and after that he created the history.
yes. I heard about it,
Yes,
and Alva Edison is a very famous
mm,
scientist in the world.
yes, and he had done 10,000 experiments when he was inventing electric bulb. All the experiments
Yes,
were failed,
yes, yes.
but he
I know.
never gave up. So
Mm,
when we are reading these kind of stories, always we can feel motivated, and we never deny the important role of his mother.
Yes,
If his mother also, admit that my son is slow learner, he can't learn anything. Maybe he never, able to invent the history.
yes,
Hmm. So, mother has an important role in every children's life. So tell me something about Satna district. Anything special in your
mm,
area, like any mall, any temple?
yes, yes. There are many religious places situated in Satna Jilla district, and like
Hmm.
you heard about Mayhar Sharda
Hmm.
temple.
Mahiha
So
Sharda
uh,
temple. Yes.
yeah, this temple is a that temple is a very famous, and people said Ala and Udal come to
Hmm.
every night, and like both to Sharda Mata and like and and
Hmm.
go to Sharda Mata and without uh, unlock gate, and
Hmm.
so people said, but I don't know very much about this story.
So according to you, Mahiha Sharda temple is very famous in your area.
Yes, and
Hmm.
Chitrakoot is situated in Satna Jilla.
Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe.
Hmm. Like there are so many person who believe in God, and every time they are just praying for like money, some other things. What is your opinion?
I only ask to God, please give me some like
Peace of mind.
intelligence in my mind, and
Hmm.
because when I have a knowledge about any particular field, so I can do anything with money without
Hmm.
money, but you don't have a knowledge, so and you have a lot of money, so don't you can't do anything.
Hmm. You always ask for knowledge.
Yes,
Yes, because without knowledge, you can't, get anything. And if you
mm,
have knowledge, then you can wisely spend the money.
yes, yes.
Do you think money has important role in our life?
Yes, money is important in our
Hmm.
life because without money you can do small things like
Hmm.
you raised and you raised your children in a middle class, so but you don't have a money, so you can't study in a different country and different state without
Hmm.
money. So money is important in our life because without money we cannot do anything.
Yes. At some extent, money is really very important, but in some area like your happiness and some other things, I think
Yes,
that time money is not important.
yes, you can say.
Hmm. Because you can buy everything, but peace of mind and happiness you never buy from money. Because money can give you only, instant happiness.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
But without money you can't survive in this world.
Yes. Yes. At
Money is
some
a
extent,
paramount.
yes. Not some. I can say in many extent, money is really important. But yes, but peace of mind and happiness, that time money is not required.
Yes,
Hmm. Yes. So how like there are so many strategies we are following for learning this language. Sometimes we are listening
yes.
podcast. Sometimes we are doing self talk. So what is your strategy?
But I want to tell you one thing. Nowadays, I feel bored when I learn this language. So I feel
Hmm.
monotonous. Like, why are you learning this language? because
mm,
uh, in a between, I was very good at English language and I spoke very fluently.
mm,
And
mm.
because of some reason, and I left this language. So then I read English language. So I feel bored. So what should I do?
I think you should make environment because if I talk about like surroundings, our surroundings is full of local person. They are speaking local language. Our friend also speaking, local language. So we should make our environment, and we can, make some small videos of English conversation, and you can narrate any moral story also in your own way. This is an interesting way. Then you can engage with this language.
So
Yes,
you
like
can
you read
explain.
any story, any moral story, because everyone had their own genre. Because I'm the person who is very fond of watching movies. Okay, so like yesterday I watched one movie. It is available on Netflix. Movie name is Jigra. There is Alia Bhatt and there is one character I don't know. She was the sister. She was playing the sister role. Okay, and she has one brother also. His brother was captured in another country, but he had done nothing. Okay. But all
Okay.
the evidence was against his brother. So she decided, I will free my brother at any cost. So this movie, like I was, then I was, just narrating the story in my own way. That is my
Mm.
way. If you are
Okay.
fond of novel, like you are very fond of, I think, novel novels. Sorry, you are very fond of novels, so you can narrate their story in your own way. This is the interesting way, and you can also narrate all the things with your co-learner.
Yes.
Yes, you can
Yes,
also
I can.
narrate to me also.
Yes, I can explain.
Yes, if you want, then you can explain to me what is the good thing in that novel.
Okay, so then nowadays I am reading one novel. That novel name is Kisku. It is totally based on partition of India and Pakistan, and
Hmm.
there was a uh,
Hmm.
one reporter who is writer of that book. Uh, Writer
It's okay.
name is Kuldeep Nair,
Hmm.
and
Kuldeep Nayyar.
he
I think Kuldeep
Kuldeep
Nayyar.
Nair, Nair,
Yes,
Nair.
Kuldeep Nayyar. He's very famous
Yes,
writer.
yes,
Hmm.
journalist. So
Hmm.
when and when Kuldeep Nair had taken an examination, so India was divided two part like India and Pakistan, and
Hmm.
so Kuldeep Nair explained about a partition between India and Pakistan, and
Hmm.
and he he wanted to become a law uh, what can I say,
So
uh,
you are saying
wakil.
like this novel is based on the partition of India and Pakistan. So he was
Yes,
describing all the scenes what which was
mm,
occurred in that time.
yes,
Am
yes,
I right? Yes.
yes,
So if you are watching any good movie, if you are reading any novel, so you can describe their story. But yes, in a short, like in
yes,
brief mode, you can
mm,
summarize their story. After that,
yeah,
you will feel that you are enjoying the conversation. Because if you are talking like your favorite actor,
friend,
your favorite food, sometimes you can feel bored.
yes, yes,
Like I had watched that movie Jigra, so really that movie was very good. And the role of the sister, that boy's sister, was really commendable.
okay,
Yes. So that is my way. Mostly I'm watching movies. and I'm watching all kind of movies and all languages movie. Like some movies language I can't understand. That time I'm just on the subtitle button and I'm reading. After that I can understand easily.
इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद है आज की कुछ डेली सेंटेंस। मेरी किस्मत में तो सिर्फ धोखा खाना ही लिखा है। इट फील्स लाइक माई डेस्टिनी इज स्क्रिप्टेड विद टेल्स और हार्ट ब्रेक एंड डिसीट। इट फील्स लाइक माई डेस्टिनी इज स्क्रिप्टेड विद टेल्स ऑफ हार्ट ब्रेक एंड डिसीट। समय से पहले और किस्मत से ज़्यादा कभी किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता। यू नेवर रिसीव एनीथिंग बिफोर इट्स टाइम और बियॉन्ड वॉट फेट हैज इन स्टोर फॉर यू। यू नेवर रिसीव एनीथिंग बिफोर इट्स टाइम और बियॉन्ड वॉट फेट हैज इन स्टोर फॉर यू। मुसीबत कभी अकेले नहीं आती। इसे हम दो तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। व्हेन इट रेन्स इट पोर्स, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से लाइक दिस, बैड लक कम्स इन बंडल्स। बैड लक कम्स इन बंडल्स। केक बनाना सीखना उसके लिए बहुत आसान था। लर्निंग हाउ टू बेक अ केक वॉज एन ईजी एज पाई फॉर हर। लर्निंग हाउ टू बेक अ केक वॉज एज ईजी एज पाई फॉर हर। इस पहेली को हल करना बच्चों के लिए बेहद आसान था। Solving this puzzle was as easy as pie for the kids. Solving this puzzle was as easy as pie for the kids. उसे मीठा खाने का शौक है और वह हर खाने के बाद चॉकलेट खाना पसंद करती है। शी हैज़ अ स्वीट टूथ एंड लव्स ईटिंग चॉकलेट्स आफ्टर एवरी मील। उसका मीठा खाने का शौक उसे हर पार्टी में डेजर्ट टेबल तक ले जाता है। His sweet tooth always leads him to the dessert table at every party. Sweet tooth मतलब जिन्हें मीठा खाने की बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेविंग होती है, चाहे वो चॉकलेट हो, कैंडी हो, और शुगरी आइटम खाने की जिनकी बहुत ज़्यादा इच्छा होती है, उनके लिए स्वीट टूथ इस फ्रेज को यूज किया जाता है। वह एक मुश्किल स्थिति में थी जब उसने यात्रा से ठीक पहले अपना पासपोर्ट खो दिया। शी वॉज इन अ पिकल वैन शी लॉस्ट हर पासपोर्ट जस्ट बिफोर द ट्रिप। शी वॉज इन अ पिकल वैन शी लॉस्ट हर पासपोर्ट जस्ट बिफोर द ट्रिप। हम एक मुश्किल में हैं क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट की डेडलाइन कल है और हम अभी तक काम पूरा नहीं कर पाए हैं। वी आर इन अ पिकल बिकॉज द प्रोजेक्ट डेडलाइन इज टुमारो एंड वी हैवंट कंप्लीटेड द वर्क येट। We are in a pickle because the project deadline is tomorrow and we haven't completed the work yet. In a pickle मतलब in a difficult situation, जिसमें से बाहर निकलना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो, तो वहाँ पे हम इस idiom को यूज कर सकते हैं in a pickle को।